All right, we're going to locate major human and physical geographic locations using absolute and relative location. Okay, absolute location is a place's exact location on the planet. We usually use latitude and longitude for this, and relative location is a place's location based on somewhere else, usually where you are. Okay, and this assignment is going to help you understand that. So first thing I want you to do, I want you to go to Schoology. I want you to open up the absolute and relative location assignment. Okay, when you open it up, it should look like this. Okay, so take a second and open up that assignment. All right, so everyone should have opened it up, and once you have opened it up, it should look like this. Okay, I want all of you to go to the second slide, and the second slide looks like this. It has the directions on it. Okay, so on this, you can see a link to Google Earth. But before you click that, read the directions, okay? Using the website Google Earth, find the absolute location of the places on the slides using latitude and longitude. Okay, we're going to use the degrees and the minutes, okay? And then you want to find the relative location using places near the location and to use cardinal directions or intermediate directions to describe the relative location, okay? So I'm going to walk you through this step by step so you know exactly what we're looking for. Okay. So now I want you to go ahead and I want you to click on the link, the earthgoogle.com web for Google Earth. Okay. Once you click on that, it should pull up this website. One should have clicked on the Google Earth and you will see the Earth as it is floating around in space. Okay. Go back to your absolute and relative location assignment. Go to the third slide. Okay. This is the example slide, right? In the example slide, we have Minute Maid Park. Okay. We know where Minute Maid Park is, but do we know it's the absolute and relative location? Probably not, but Google Earth is going to help us find it. Okay. So, what I want you to do, Minute Maid Park, I want you to go back to Google Earth. I want you to search for it using this magnifying glass. Click here and type in Minute Maid Park. Okay. Once you've typed it in, under places, as you can see, I've searched for it before, but under places, click the first search term, right? And it should spin the earth around and take you right to Houston, Texas, where Minute Maid Park is. Okay. Now you can let it turn like this, okay? Or you can go ahead and click. I'm going to go ahead and click off of this, and it's going to spin around. Okay. Now, something to note, right? You want this is your compass, okay? You want this to be pointing this way, right? You want the red to be up and you want the white to be down, okay? This way you know what's north, what's south. It's going to help you when you get into relative location, okay? But now that we're here, what you want to do is you want to go over to, this is where Minute Maid Park is, right? And you'll see the relative absolute, excuse me, you'll see the absolute location down here, okay? This is the latitude and longitude of the place, okay? So what you want to 95 to 1. That is Minute Maid Park's absolute location. That is the latitude and longitude of Minute Maid Park. Now we want to find the relative location. What is it close to? So we may need to zoom out here. So we're going to zoom out a little bit so we can see what's near Minute Maid Park. Okay, and you can see some places starting to show up a little bit, right? So we're here in Minute Maid Park, right? So what do we see around it? We see Our Lady of Guadalupe Church, right? Now, Our Lady of Guadalupe Church is what? From here to here, this is what? Northeast, south, or west? It is east. So that means that Minute Maid Park is west of Our Lady of Guadalupe Church. Okay, that is its relative location compared to Our Lady of Guadalupe Church. So right here, we will write west. And that is its relative location. Okay, and then from there, we move on. You'll type in Eiffel Tower. It'll spin the earth around. Find the latitude, longitude, put that in the absolute location, zoom out a little bit, find something that's near. Remember to use your cardinal directions and find its relative location. Okay, so happy hunting.